Hey camera lovers, finding a quality camera on a budget can be a bit like shopping for jeans, looking for that perfect fit, but it's tough to know if it's going to work until you try it. That's why today, we're breaking down the top 5 best budget cameras so you can get high-quality videos and photos at a rock-bottom deal. The main issue is that a camera might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you and what you want to achieve. With that in mind, we made sure to include options for everyone, whether you're a seasoned videographer or just dipping your toes into the world of vlogging. Regardless of what you're looking for, we'll have the perfect camera for you. So, let's dive into it. First on the list is the Canon EOS Rebel T7, which we picked as the best budget camera for beginners. This one is an entry-level camera, and its price tag reflects that. But that being said, this camera can do pretty much everything a person could want. It features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor paired with an 18 to 55 millimeter lens. This setup covers a wide range of needs, with the 18 millimeter providing a close-up view and the 55 millimeter offering a good zoom, giving you versatile shooting options. It's also very easy to use. It has been designed with beginners in mind. It has automatic settings that can do almost everything for you, but of course, it does have manual settings as well. As you become more familiar with the camera, you can fine-tune settings like ISO, the brightness booster, to suit your preferences. This will help you achieve better image quality in low-light conditions. There is also a mode dial at the top, which is another fantastic feature for beginners. With different shooting modes, like night mode, sports mode, landscape, there's one for pretty much any type of photography you could want. Using these modes takes all the technical guesswork out of your hands for an easier experience. It also has good AI servo autofocus, which if you're just starting out, can really help you with action photography and subject tracking. And with built-in Wi-Fi and near-field communication technology, you can transfer videos and photos effortlessly and on the go. This is a huge plus for any YouTubers or vloggers. Overall, because it has such good auto settings and is extremely user-friendly, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 comes in as the best budget camera for beginners. Next up is the Sony ZV-1F, which we picked as the best budget camera for live streamers. With this bad boy, you can shoot UHD 4K up to 30 frames per second and HD up to 120 frames per second at an unbeatable price. That alone makes this camera super valuable. It also includes Sony's reliable eye tracking and autofocus, which is a standout feature for a camera in this price range. That said, it doesn't quite match the advanced AI autofocus found in Sony's higher-end models. So if top-tier autofocus is a priority for you, that's something to consider. It has a full rotating flip-out screen, which is great for content creation because it's relatively easy to frame yourself. You also get flexible shooting angles for all different types of content. From YouTube Shorts to long-form video content, this camera can do it all. Another reason creators love it is because you can connect it to your computer and use it as a webcam for live streaming. You can also send content directly to your social media accounts with remote shooting. And if you are just getting into creating YouTube videos or content creation in general, you'll be pleased to hear it also has good usability. With touchscreen operation and a new menu system, it is much less confusing than the old menu in the previous model. On the downside, since it's low cost, it's not built as solid as some of its more expensive, bigger brother models. The plastic body is not very durable, so it's not the ideal camera for extensive outdoor shooting. All in all, this is a great budget-friendly option, particularly for YouTubers and content creators who primarily shoot indoor content or are looking to live stream. The next camera on the list is the Panasonic Lumix G100, which we've selected as the best option for vloggers. It covers all the essentials a content creator could need, all at a budget-friendly price. While it's slightly more expensive than the previous two cameras mentioned, that's to be expected for a device that offers this level of versatility. This camera doesn't always get the recognition it deserves, which is surprising once you see what it's capable of. Designed specifically with vloggers in mind, one of its biggest strengths is how lightweight it is. At just 350 grams, roughly the weight of a can of Coke, it's perfect for travel and compact enough to slip right into your pocket. And when it comes to video and photo quality, this camera offers exceptional performance and versatility. It can capture life in crystal clear 4K photos and shoot at 4K 24 frames per second and 30 frames per second with advanced audio. Honestly, of all the cameras mentioned so far, this one has the best microphone with advanced 360-degree sound that auto-adjusts to record clearly, indoors and outdoors. It basically adjusts to the acoustics of any environment to give you that immersive spatial sound that can really make a difference in videos. And a fun fact is that the G100 is the world's smallest camera with an articulating screen. This is just another nod to how miniature it is. One thing to keep in mind is that this camera doesn't include in-body stabilization, which might explain some of the mixed opinions out there. That said, it still offers a built-in digital stabilizer that performs well, especially when set to its highest setting, making it more than capable for most handheld shooting situations. All things considered, the Panasonic Lumix G100 stands out as the best budget camera for vloggers thanks to its compact, lightweight design and the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, all without breaking the bank. As mentioned earlier, if you're looking for the latest pricing on any of the cameras featured in this video, be sure to check the links in the description below. Prices can change frequently. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like to support the channel. The next camera made it onto our list because of its fast and accurate 11 frames per second continuous shooting and because of its multiple movie functions. We're talking about the Sony Alpha A6400, which is our pick as the best budget camera overall. It can do everything and produces really good quality videos. Right away, let's discuss video quality. The A6400 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor with copper wiring, allowing for improved light capture. It boasts an impressive ISO range of 100 to 102,400, which, as any camera enthusiast knows, is exceptional. This range is achieved with minimal noise, even in low-light environments. You can shoot in 4K with full pixel readout and enjoy full HD 120 frames per second video. Remarkable quality, especially for a camera at this price point. As mentioned, you can shoot 11 frames per second at 24.2 megapixels raw resolution with clear natural color. This is ideal for editing, so if you are a perfectionist who loves the editing process, you're going to love this camera. On the other hand, if you don't like editing, you can shoot time-lapse movies, slow motion, and motion videos without post-processing. This is nice for beginners who aren't the best at editing or content creators who want to upload their videos right away. Now, this camera has been around for a while, but at the time of its release, it had the world's fastest autofocus at 0.02 seconds. This is still really good and absolutely exceptional for a camera with this type of price tag. To top it off, this camera comes with a tiltable LCD screen that's customizable for vlogging, photography, or professional-grade recording. The screen is a content creator's dream, offering the flexibility to shoot from a wide variety of angles. In closing, because of its insane 4K HD recording quality and 11 frames per second continuous shooting abilities, the Sony Alpha A6400 is the best budget camera overall. The final camera on the list is the Canon Powershot SX70, which earns its spot thanks to its impressive super zoom and 4K video recording capabilities, offered at an exceptionally affordable price. To start, this camera has a 20-megapixel sensor that can capture 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, which, as you may or may not know, is almost 4 times the resolution of Full HD. You can also create stunning 4K time-lapse videos with time-lapse movie mode. And on top of that, you can use 4K cropping to extract stills from your videos without using additional software. These stills make great thumbnails for YouTube videos and social media content. Canon also included a new style setting function which gives you 6 different color settings to choose from. The standard setting allows you to fine-tune your sharpness and contrast just the way you like. So if you are meticulous with your setting options, you'll love the freedom this camera gives you to express your creativity. The standout feature of this camera is its 65 times zoom, which is phenomenal. This feature alone puts this camera in a class of its own in the budget category. Another great feature of this camera is its durability. Unlike some of the other options on my list that are better suited for indoor use, this one is built to handle outdoor conditions. And with image stabilization of up to 5 stops and 4K video recording, the Powershot SX70HS camera captures it all, from faraway sights to ultra-wide vistas and close-up macro shots, making it a great choice if you want to shoot wildlife or outdoor sporting events. In conclusion, the Canon Powershot SX70 really lives up to its name because it's a powerful camera with fantastic optical zoom. It easily earns its spot as one of the best budget cameras on the market. Well, that's all for today. If you guys liked this video or learned something, please give it a like. If you want to discover the best camera at any price, be sure to check out our video on the best cameras for photography. And if something caught your eye, check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the cameras mentioned in this video. Till next time.